Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to activate night mode on iPhone 16 Pro. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go your mobile settings, just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen just like this. Here you can see option of display and brightness, just tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see again a new interface on your screen just like this. Here and just tap on night shift option. When you tap on it, you can activate this mode right now by using the manually enable until tomorrow option, and you can also you can also set up a schedule, okay, and and you can also to enable the mode faster, expand the tools menu, keep the finger on the brightness slider for a while, and use the night shift function, okay, and just so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.